Are you tired of playing the same old chords on your guitar? Do you yearn to create soulful, emotive melodies that resonate with the blues? If so, it's time to unleash your inner blues guitarist and dive into the world of the 12 bars blues. In this step-by-step guide, we will take you on a journey through this iconic musical form, providing you with all the tools and knowledge necessary to master it. Why should you learn the 12-bar blues? Before we delve into how to play the 12 bars blues, let's explore why learning this musical form is beneficial for any aspiring guitarist. The 12 bars blues is not just a genre. It's a gateway to expressing raw emotion through music. By mastering this form, you will be able to tap into your deepest feelings and convey them through soul-stirring guitar solos. Additionally, understanding and playing the 12 bars blues opens up a world of possibilities for improvisation. Once you grasp its structure and chord progressions, you can experiment freely within its framework. This freedom allows you to develop your own unique style while staying rooted in tradition. How does it work? The foundation of any great blues song lies in its structure, known as the 12 bars format. The term bar refers to one measure of music containing 4 beats. In essence, each verse or chorus consists of 12 bars arranged in a specific pattern. The most common progression used in a 12 bars blues follows 3 chords: I, the tonic, IV, the subdominant, and V, the dominant. For example, if we are in the key of C major, C7, 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 F7, F7, C7, C7, G7, F7, C7, G7. In the above progression, each chord is played for 4 bars. The first line establishes the tonic, C7, followed by a movement to the subdominant, F7, in the second line. The third line features a return to the tonic, and finally, we conclude with a dominant, G7, chord. The beauty of this structure lies in its simplicity and versatility. Once you have internalized the 12 bars blues pattern, you can apply it to countless songs across various genres. How can you learn? Now that you understand how the 12 bars blues works, let's dive into how you can learn to play it on your guitar. Memorize the basic chord shapes. Start by familiarizing yourself with common open chords such as C7, F7, and G7. Practice transitioning between these chords smoothly until they become second nature. Master your rhythm. Blues music relies heavily on rhythm and groove. Experiment with different strumming patterns and focus on maintaining a steady tempo throughout each bar. Explore variations. While sticking to traditional 12 bars progressions is essential for beginners, don't be afraid to experiment once you feel comfortable with the basics. Add embellishments or substitute chords within each bar to add your own personal touch. Study influential artists. Listen attentively to renowned blues guitarists like B.B. King, Stevie Ray Vaughan, or Eric Clapton. Their playing styles will inspire new ideas and help refine your technique. Jam with others. Joining jam sessions or forming a band allows you to put everything you've learned into practice while interacting with fellow musicians who share your passion for blues music. Why is it worth your time? Learning how to play the 12 bars blues offers numerous benefits beyond simply acquiring technical skills on an instrument. Emotional release. Playing blues music provides an outlet for your emotions, allowing you to channel and express feelings that may be difficult to put into words. Musical versatility. Once you grasp the 12 bars blues structure, you can apply it to other genres like rock, jazz, or even pop music. This versatility expands your musical repertoire and opens up new creative possibilities. Improvisational skills. The 12 bars blues provides an excellent foundation for developing improvisational techniques on the guitar. By understanding how chords function within a specific key, you can confidently explore various scales and create captivating solos. Connection with others. Blues music has a way of bringing people together. Whether it's jamming with friends or performing live on stage, playing the blues allows you to connect with fellow musicians and audiences on a deep emotional level. In conclusion, learning how to play the 12 bars blues is not just about mastering a musical form. It's about unlocking your inner artist and expressing yourself through soulful melodies. By following this step-by-step guide and immersing yourself in the world of blues guitar, you will embark on a journey of self-discovery that will forever change the way you approach music. So grab your guitar, embrace the power of the 12 bars blueprint, and let your inner blues guitarist soar.